Alright, what's up guys and welcome back to another video. Today's the day of the Storm of the Falls V2 meet. It's been about 2.5 hours ago at 9 a.m. but I had hockey and I had to go to church this morning, so rolling up a little late there right now. Josh and Mark and then Ben and his other buddy who's coming with us. We're all meeting at the gateway right now. I also have the drone with me because we got a super nice sunny day out, so gonna get some cool shots of the car show, hang out there for a couple hours, see some cool cars. But enough of me talking, I'm gonna head up to the gateway, meet the boys there. We'll get on with the video. Alright, got Josh and Mark behind me. We're actually gonna meet Ben there because I guess the car wash him and his buddy are going to is kind of taking too long. There's a little bit of a lineup, so we're just gonna meet him at Fireman's Park and everything. And actually, before I didn't get on camera, but there's a sick ass Maserati just ripped past me. It's a nice black one. Woo! Let's go, baby. I'm fired up for the car meet. Alright, so we had to resort to parking on the side here, but first car to see is a BRZ. Alright, holy shit. We got a lot of cars out here today. This is way bigger than it was 2 years ago. Got the crew here today. Ben's gonna meet us here soon. Then
you saw Aaron.
I already see a bunch of blue Subies, Josh.
Me too.
Ooh, that Civic with the fucking wing there, that red one, that actually looks pretty sick. Damn, this thing's nice.
My feet got.
That's sick. I know I'm usually a Subi guy, but like this, it's sick. It's slammed. The wing is nice though too. That's nice. See, I wouldn't mind a. Oh, he's even got the Hunt & Co.
I think you should get a wing like that. That's nice.
It's sick. I'll give this guy a shout out.
But it's not an STI wing. That looks good.
WRX. I'm not even gonna say anything. I just know what you're gonna say. Ooh, that's nice color.
We're just gonna walk around.
You're gonna walk? Okay. Well, yeah. So we've been here for a total of 20 minutes. Definitely
half of that was parking.
Was that? Yeah, I know. Half that was finding fucking parking. But yeah, this is.
I like how they just put a bunch of trunks with little cars.
Yeah, I think first Hyundai Genesis I've seen, and usually.
Hopefully we don't see any more.
Damn! Shots fired! Pop, pop, pop! Oh my God, Connor, it's your car. Old Saturn Ion. Connor doesn't have his Saturn anymore, but.
Yeah, that's the exact same thing that I have, except they didn't do it.
He's got the CS, so you know he tracks this thing.
Oh no, okay, there's actually better condition, better than mine, because he has the app.
Also, I'm gonna. Oh wait, is that what I think it is, Josh?
What he got happened with the plastic dip?
Where?
Right there. Thing I used to have before.
Oh yeah,
I like this mini row. We've seen this mini before.
Yes, that's the one. I think I sent a picture to. A Tacoma, yeah.
Oh, beautiful truck. Oh.
It is nice. So you want one exactly like that?
One of those.
So I want the this one with the fucking cannon of an exhaust.
One.
Yeah, that's the one I sent to Juliana. She just got a full send and just do one of those. But yeah, so probably it's like 12:50 right now. So probably I guess after we walk around for like a lap or so, I'll probably
go home.
He's already done with his meat. I want to stay for at least the loudest exhaust comp, and then I'll head out of here after. Oh wait, we got a BRZ with the stock wheels.
There's a Miata, bro. Who cares about the BRZ?
Yeah.
The Miata.
Hey, a TC. The hood popped. This could have been you, eh? If you kept the TC and did shit to it.
TC and actually owns this, we would trade it. 2009 Super WRX.
Look, he's got the helmet and everything. And we got Corvette Squad. That is a nice color. That Corvette. Holy shit.
Oh yeah.
Hey, into winning. Look at that. Careful, man. Bring them in. Do you mind if they help you? See that? We're gonna do a safety first, okay? So watch your legs against the wheels. Is some guy gonna beat you guys before you even do this?
Go!
That's what we're working on, like production, really. You know what I'm saying? That's from the time our last album, that's what we've been doing on this time period, working on our beats. That's been working on our
Hey, they
That guy participation, bro.
What's up, bro? What's up, dude?
Hey, how's it going? And then we're gonna start. That's okay. Go ahead. Let's hear it.
Us.
Let's hear it one more time from you on the right hand side. We're keeping the Honda this round. All right, Honda's gonna stay.
What?
You're just gonna go to the right up there. All right. Okay, lead him out here. Honda stays right here. He's gonna smile at you guys all day.
Josh, that's gonna be you, dude.
Move it up a little more. There he is.
Is it louder than your car though? Let me know when it starts.
Idle's fine. Idle's fine. All right, to the right. Thank you. Guys.
That was.
Yeah, it's mine was louder.
Yeah, that guy felt like he was barely. That guy barely felt like he went above like 3 warming it up. I thought it was like. That's what I thought. Just blow it on the Mustang. I think so.
Here we go. Hit it.
Fuck. Yes. Oh, I got smoked out. Yes.
Mustang, let's hear it.
Thank God. Yeah, just. Oh my God. You just caked that Mustang. Holy fuck.
All right. And the train horn. Oh, is it adjusting? Give him some soothing love, though, guys.
Woo!
They do sound good, right?
Let's
go to
No, no. That took me by. Holy fuck! That is holy shit!
Light 'em up. All right, you're in it, Gray. Let's hear it.
Holy shit! Hey Max, you know it's good when you can feel it in your teeth.
Yeah, like
If you sit right there, you get hit with just a heat wave like
real quick, yeah.
feel it in my chest, bro.
Owner of this car, not the exact car, won it. So, let's see if we can compare. Let's hit. Two-step.
W motor too. I just realized it's the W motor. It's the 409 block.
Oh yeah, that's why. Yeah.
Wow, he fucking killed it.
He's probably in there like, ah shit, now I gotta rev the piss out
Got
of
like,
it.
Mustang, here we go.
I guess got the cap off of the top.
Oh
So
yeah?
it's coming right out of the header.
Oh that's right, yeah. That guy's mad.
He just like, I just wanted to go and make it fun. I didn't want to stay. It's like the parking.
What the fuck?
Alright, thank you, Mike. Number 2's moving on.
Hey, it's me.
Let's hear the Subaru.
Yeah, see,
See, if that was me, I would have been done, bro.
Are we gonna spit fire tonight? All right. This is our Niagara flamethrower. So let's hear it. One or two.
That's one. I'm voting for one. Sorry.
Woo!
Number one. Riley, you did all that work this year, and you hold it. Bring your cars, bring your trucks, bring your bikes.
Oh, is that a Supra? Damn, this guy showed up at like this is like the post credit. It's like the post credit scene of the movie. Showed up at the last second.
Yeah.
Fuck, that thing's clean. So what'd you think of the meet? I know you and Cooper showed up for the exhaust comp, but what'd you think?
I like the fact that it was actually muscle versus tuner at some point.
Yeah, it wasn't all just.
But guess who won? Muscle on top. Muscle on top, baby.
Yeah, what was that guy's car? The yellow one?
My dad actually almost used the
51 Chevy Deluxe coupe.
but he put something way beef.
Oh.
It didn't sound anything like that.
No, yeah, it definitely
It sounded
sounded
like a
way.
small block.
Yeah, but yeah, definitely a cool meet. I mean, it looks like it's about to rain now and shit,
Yeah.
but
It's not calling for me.
That's one of the Miatas that almost won.
Oh really?
oh yeah,
The
the-
low competition, but the red one.
The low. Oh, okay.
I want one of those Miatas just because you can.
I want a Miata
fit an
so
LS in
bad for
At one point
a
in my
week,
life.
A week, man.
and it was disgusting.
That thing's-
Well, it was riding out bad.
bro, that thing's clean as shit, dude.
She might have won it if he was in.
I think that's the guy that was in the rev off, man.
Sheesh.
No, that's an F8.
F8.
Yeah. It's a brand new one.
Jeez.
That is nice. I love the color too.
Oh yeah, it's
The
perfect.
blue with the
Gee. Atta boy, let's go! Fired me up, dude.
Very nice.
Let's go.
There you go.
Do launch
Get
control.
them angles. Get them angles.
You got some backfires there.
actually did.
Josh-
Brake light.
Yep, you want brake lights out.
Right brake lights out.
Yeah, because Cooper's never been in it. That sounded nice.
Josh, I've never heard him pop when he shifts like that before.
Never.
Boys, next time, note to self, don't park next to trees.
Yes. I was waiting for like the minivan to pull in front of him or some shit. There you go.
I just yeets in there.
Just pulls right in.
Alright guys, well, I'm back home right now. It's going to wrap it up for the car meet today. From the Vols V2. It's a really good event and everything. Saw a lot of cool cars, heard a lot of loud cars. My ears are actually kind of still ringing a little bit from that Jetta and everything. So a lot of cool cars and everything. Great weather too as well. It kind of got cloudy, but just as things were wrapping up anyways. But anyways, that's going to do it for this video. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.
Damn, I'm in the matrix. My mind is living on cloud nine, and this line is never on vacation. Start up that Maserati and zoom, zoom, I'm racing.